Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing another Halloween card. This could actually be a really cute Halloween invitation. It says Wicked Celebration, and this is a bundle. Actually, I'm using two different stamp sets. I take that back. So this is a bundle with the Wicked die, and I actually did another card here recently using the Wicked die. So this is the one that coordinates with that. And then I am using To Every Season bundle. And on this one, I am just using the punch on this one. So the punches are these little 4-pack, and they coordinate all with the snowflake, the leaf, the little bat, and the hearts. So they cut out all those little images, which I love these little punches, and we are using the little bat, and that's all we're using from this bundle. But this is another new bundle coming September 4th. So let's grab the bat out of there, and we will be ready to go. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are doing a little bit of a technique because we are using our Stamparatus, and you are going to need first a card base, and this is pumpkin pie. It is 5.5 by 4.25. You'll need another piece of basic black, which is 5.5 by 4, and then to stamp on you're going to need a piece that's 5 by 3 3/4. And this time I'm actually just using the regular white Whisper White because we have several layers on here, and I've already set up my little stamps here, and I'll show you. You can use both sides of these. We have another plate. I could have set it up on the other plate, but it's going to work better this way because we're going down this way, if that makes sense. So we are going to just put our image, we're going to put our cardstock there, and I'm actually going to use the stamp set to hold this open because it gives some really good stability. We're going to stamp with Memento Black, we're going to stamp with Pumpkin Pie, and Gorgeous Gray. So we're going to just start stamping this, and I love this about the Stamparatus. I don't think there's any other stamping tool that will let you do this. So we're going to do that, and have a little chamois to clean off your ink each time that you stamp, because you're going to be stamping with a lot of different colors. We're going to lift this up, move it to the next notch. We're going to change colors. We're going to use the Pumpkin Pie, and then we're going to just stamp that so it makes them evenly spaced, and it's super cute. Love this little technique. I'm going to keep my ink open there because we're going to use it again. And then we're going to lift it up, move it down one more time, and this is a great tool for a beginner as well. It helps to keep things lined up, and it's very, very great positioning tool for if you have issues on where you want to position that. And it helps to keep everything straight and nice as well. So if you are a beginner, I suggest the Stamparatus. I really recommend it. And then one more. We're going to do that one in basic black. I'm going to close these other colors up so they don't dry out or anything. And I'm going to need to move that one more time. And this one's going to be right on the edge there, and it's just like perfect spacing. So what I did here was I put this Wicked as tall as it would go, or as high as it would go on here, so that everything was very evenly spaced. Alright, we're going to keep the basic black. What I'm going to do is I'm picking this up and I'm just flipping it around, and we're going to do the exact same thing with the Celebration, but we're only doing that one in the tuxedo black. But we're just going to keep lifting it up, moving it down. And it is perfectly lined each time. And then you need to move your magnet, so I'm going to move that up there now. The magnet just helps to keep it in place. Sometimes you don't even need it, I find. And look how quick and easy that is. I love the Stamparatus for stuff like this. Super, super quick and easy, and look how perfect they are lined up. Alright, so I'm going to take this off, put it back on there. We'll scoot that out of the way, and then we're ready to finish up our card. Now what I did on the basic black is I just tore the bottom here, just kind of made it raggedy. A little bit more Halloween-esque. And then we're just going to use some snail, and we'll attach this to our card base. And the other card that I did, I actually embossed this pumpkin pie, but then I found it just didn't show much, so I decided not to do it for the video. Just line this up, and this is going all the way to the top so that your little edging shows there. And you can just leave it just like that. It's super, super simple, and it's really cute, but I really did want to add some baker's twine, so I'm going to use the basic black, and we're just adding a bow up here at the top. Definitely had too much on there. And then you can use a little glue dot to hold that in place. That's what I normally do. Underneath the dot, you can just kind of scrunch that up a little bit so you don't see it, and then just place it right there. I'm going to cut this just a little bit. Alright, and now for our little bats. So just get a scrap piece of basic black, and you're just going to punch 3 little bats out. You don't even have to add the bats, but they are really cute. And I'll just use some wet glue. And I need my little, take your pick tool so I can pick up these little bats. And you could just put them wherever you want them. I think I'll just put one more here. I think it's different than I did the other one, but that's alright. Alright, so there you have it. Super quick and easy, and it's super, super fun. I love using the Stamparatus, and it is such a great way to get a really professional look. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'll see you later, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.